Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a cheap versus expensive food review but blindfolded.
Give me the food.
It's like a blind date.
Nice to meet you. What's your name? Stacey.
Don't like spicy food, yeah.
And Ross is the type of person to just feed us what we hate.
Sometimes foreshadowing is relatively obvious.
You hand it, where are you putting it? You need
Put
to
a
take
hand
one
there.
from each plate.
I can't see the plate.
Well, where's
Ross.
the plate?
Ross, are you going left to start or?
Oh, you bastard.
Chocolate. Let's give it a half.
Expensive.
Give me the other one. Am I anywhere near it?
Did I just get it from the same plate twice? Oh, I'm gonna have to try this again. Hang on.
I'm confused.
Excuse.
Oh, okay. I think I have my verdict.
Put my hand over the one.
Yeah, that one.
The one on the left.
Oh!
3, 2, 1. Can't remember. Yeah, you're both right.
Oh, really? Oh, hell yeah. And you're both wrong.
Wait, what?
Yeah, you're both wrong.
This is this
What's
one.
the setup?
They sound like roast chicken.
They sound like roast chicken.
I don't know. I don't know.
Alright, I'm going left.
Oh, I'll go left as well.
Yeah, come left. Come in.
I have no idea.
These feel more premium
Well,
As
the
a
ones on the
crisp.
left.
on the right.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking.
They're quite similar. Oh, I'm
Yeah.
going back for a second on the first one.
Nah, made up my mind.
3, 2, 1.
One of you
Oh.
is right.
Well, yeah, obviously.
And it's Adam.
Oh! No! Hell yeah!
Are we right or are we right?
Wrong. It's the left.
I'm sorry.
You let me down.
You'll love this one, guys. Best one. My personal favourite.
Oh, it's not your mouldy pasta, is it, Adam?
I...
Open wide.
3, 2, 1.
Oh no.
That's like
Oh.
cat food. Why is it so wet?
It looks like we could spit it in case we don't want it.
No, you can't spit it. You gotta find out what's what.
Trust me, when you put this in your mouth, you're going to say the same thing.
I can't swallow it. It's not. My body's not accepting it.
Right, boys. Which
Ugh.
one was
That's
the
so
expensive one?
First.
First one, yeah.
First one was expensive.
Yeah.
2, 1. Well, you're both wrong.
No, really?
Oh, you bastard. I can hear him conferring in the back. I'll do Ross's.
I'm the person who has a chicken tikka but without any spice in it.
Oh, what is
I pretty much put my finger in his mouth. You bastard.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's
Oh,
that? Oh, jeez.
Oh, that one gets hotter over time.
Yeah. That was,
oh, God, that's so gross.
that one tastes worse. That one tastes. I have my verdict.
I'm gonna say Tabasco personally, so the second one for me because I think
The
it's
second one was more expensive.
I think so.
What are you saying, Adam?
I'm going first one's more expensive.
So you both voted for the same.
Have we?
Oh, nice work. One of you is right.
Oh yeah,
Oh, yeah.
we can't.
And it's Jack.
You are both wrong.
Ah. Do you want to smell my breath?
Mmm. Hot sauce and tuna.
Could just be spaghetti. It's just not boiled.
Yeah?
Just feed us spaghetti.
Oh, f me, that would really scare me.
Oh, why is that so creamy?
Down the hatch. Oh yeah. Oh, that's kind of nasty actually.
Right, I can't eat that.
Now, is that pedigree chum?
Oh,
I'm just going to stop chewing and swallow.
That faux grim.
That wasn't that bad. I didn't mind it. That wasn't as bad as I thought it'd be.
are you okay?
I got goosebumps all over. Anyone know what it was?
It tastes. It's. Oh, no idea.
It's a chicken and mushroom
I
pie.
was gonna say it tastes like the inside of a chicken mushroom pie.
Was that premium? Was that premium?
I don't think so. It wasn't that good.
I'm gonna go 2. I'm still going 2.
1.
3, 2, 1.
First one was Ginster's Premium.
Next one was Tesco Value.
Oh hell yeah! I'm on a roll.
Oh,
Yes.
This hasn't been the most joyful recording for us.
I really
think.
thought I was like chocolate crisp. I'm like, yeah,
Chocolate crisp for a good
this is
setup.
good, and it's just kind of gone downhill from there.
Cheers.
Right, be really slow, Adam, because I'm scared that it's gonna like.
Just gonna pour it.
Cool. Right, there's one.
Oh, I feel I'm not gonna have a clue with this one.
That's the table.
Here we go, exhibit B.
Okay, I've got my verdict.
3, 2, 1.
1.
2.
Are you stupid?
I'm going 2. I prefer it.
Well, I can tell you, Jack, that actually you're wrong.
Correct.
Yeah!
My
Right.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.